Hello, this is my current working space. It's technically the garage in my home, and it's where I research and write and store materials. I also work in the backyard at home. These are some of the ingredients that I work with. I use predominantly textiles in my work and indigo dye, which is a plant-based natural dye. I usually have 2 or 3 dye vats on the go at a time. This particular one is a vat made with cooked up banana, indigo and lime, which is from limestone. This is an older vat, which is well used, so it produces a lighter shade of blue. It's made with fructose. Some of the other ingredients that I use, fructose, the indigo, lime. These are dried leaves. I'm about to do a large banana-based vat ready for a series of work for an upcoming exhibition. And the other ingredients there are wood ash that I collect from a local pizzeria that I use to boil up to make lye. These are the salvage textiles that I use in various stages of having been dyed. I collect household waste, things like old clothes, sheets, tea towels, tablecloths, things like that. Indigo is quite versatile in that it can dye plant materials as well as animal fibres like silk and wool, but the plant fibres are useful to go on if I want to pulp and process them to make paperworks. These are small sculptures made with many layers of the indigo dyed fabric. And these are some works that are in progress at the moment. Some previous paperworks. And that's my studio. Thanks.